Let's select and load some tracks in WeDJ. When first opening WeDJ, demo tracks will be loaded on decks 1 and 2. To load a new track onto a deck, you simply tap the desired track slot on the performance screen. The WeDJ app can automatically detect any tracks you have in your music library on your smartphone. You'll see an alphabetical list of all the tracks in your library. Simply tap on a track to load it into the deck you've chosen. You can sort tracks by title, artist, BPM, time, and key. You can also filter your phone's music library by artist or albums. You have the option to create playlists in WeDJ too. Tap on Playlists at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Create New Playlist and enter a name for it. When the playlist appears, select it and tap Add Tracks. To introduce your music, tap the plus symbol next to the tracks you want. A tick will appear to confirm each one has been added. Tap Done at the top right of the screen once you've finished adding tracks. Hit the exit symbol to return to the performance screen. You can add and delete songs in a playlist by tapping that playlist and tapping Edit. Tap the red delete icon to delete that track. Tap the Add Track symbol to add tracks. Then select the track from your track library browser and simply tap Done. You can delete a playlist by tapping Edit followed by the red delete icon. WeDJ also recommends tracks that mix well with the track you're playing. These tracks are found in the Suggestion playlist. WeDJ selects tracks for the Suggestion playlist by looking at key metadata that match well with the current track. To use the Suggestion function while mixing, tap to load a track onto the next deck. Next, tap the Suggestion icon. The tracks displayed are ranked in order of matched suitability. The rankings are based on metadata such as BPM, key, genre, and date added. Simply tap on the track you want and it'll load onto the deck, ready for you to mix.